In this guide, you'll learn how to fix Crunchyroll Playback Error. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is first close the app and relaunch it. This can fix temporary glitches that may prevent videos from playing. Next up, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, clear cache for the app. So launch settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find Crunchyroll and launch it. Click on Upload app. Confirm it, then click on Reinstall app. Next, check for app updates. For that, head over to App Store, search for the app Crunchyroll. Now, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, log out and log in back to your account. So launch Crunchyroll, head over to Accounts tab, scroll all the way down, click on Log out and confirm it. Then again, provide your credentials and log in back. Next, if you are connected to any VPN, you will need to disable it, as this can cause playback errors. Lastly, completely delete Crunchyroll app from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.